Developing a wealthy mindset is crucial. It's hard to get rich while thinking like a poor person. Poor people are everywhere, but their mindset keeps them from wealth. This is a gold Rolex Daytona. Many young people don't know its history, but it was Paul Newman's watch. I own 4 of them. Some say it's a waste of money, but that's poor thinking. Why buy a $50,000 watch? Because the national debt is rising and America is heading towards bankruptcy. Politicians print money, which makes the rich richer and the poor poorer. Gresham's law states that when bad money enters the system, good money goes into hiding. Here's a 1964 Kennedy half-dollar made of real silver. When I show people a $10 bill and a 50-cent silver piece, they grab the $10 bill. But smart people know silver holds real value while printed money depreciates. Since 1971, when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard, printing money has made the rich richer. Assets like real estate and gold rise in value. Inflation is crushing people. The cost of living rises, but wages don't keep up. It takes more money every year to buy what was once affordable. I invest in real assets like real estate. I use debt to buy appreciating assets while the value of money declines. The rich understand this principle. When the government prints more money, asset prices go up. My apartment buildings and oil investments increase in value while others struggle with inflation. I've been buying gold since it was $50 an ounce. I even own gold mines. Tangible wealth, like gold, can be held and stored securely. This gold Rolex may cost $50,000 now, but in 5 years it will be worth much more. Not because of the watch itself, but the gold in it. Many people buy cheap things thinking they save money, but cheap items lose value quickly. Gold jewelry, on the other hand, retains its worth. Some buy designer handbags that end up in thrift stores. Gold earrings, however, are not just accessories. They are a store of wealth. Mindfulness is key. If you always choose the cheapest option, you remain poor. True wealth comes from valuing long-term assets. Schools don't teach financial education. People remain trapped in a poor mindset because they aren't taught how money really works. Want to learn the 3 most important things that schools never teach about money? Watch my next videos to find out.